What's going on, guys? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating first video. This is the first video for my second YouTube channel. So, yung una kong YouTube channel, as you may all know, or some of you may know, I am a lawyer by profession, and yung first channel ko is dedicated sa mainly sa pagtuturo ko ng batas sa mga law students and college students na tinuturuan ko. This channel is dedicated sa mga hobbies ko at naming mag-asawa, no? May it be gaming, video games, anime, action figures, cards, and whatever else na makahiligan namin, no? So today, for our first video, actually, I've been doing a lot of research tungkol dito sa hobby na to, and we are going to open booster packs. No? So, booster packs ng Pokemon cards from Japan. Specifically, we will be opening the Mega Dream EX set booster packs, no? So, lately, medyo mainit yung Pokemon, and to be honest, ito ang pinakaunang booster packs na bubuksan ko in a very long time. So, 20 years since I've opened a Pokemon booster pack. No, dati, naalala ko nung 90s, I started playing Pokemon TCG, una sa Game Boy, with the Pokemon TCG Game Boy Color game, and then I tried to play yung real life cards, no? And then fortunately, adolescence came in. Unfortunately or fortunately, adolescence kicked in, and kung ano lang pinagagawa natin, no, and nakalimutan na natin yung mga Pokemon cards. But then, alam nyo naman, yung mga, lalo na sa mga batang 90s ngayon, yung mga trentahin dyan, tayo yung mga parang bagong bata ngayon. Tayo yung mga market ng mga laruan, no? We want to bring back the inner child again, so to speak. So, ngayon magbubukas tayo ng booster packs from the Pokemon Mega Dream EX set. Okay, so these are Japanese sets, no? Ang katumbas nito sa English set would be the Ascended Heroes set. So let's dive right in and let's get started. Okay, so eto na ang ating first booster box para sa Mega Dream EX, no? So pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo mabagal pa muna akong magbukas, hindi pa ako sanay, no? Pero makikita nyo sa background, no, nandito si Genjar, yung favorite kong Pokemon, and nandito si Netero, yung favorite nating character of all time, no? Para basbasan tayo ng mga magandang luck, no, sa pag bukas or pag-pull ng mga cards. Okay, sige, try natin buksan. So teka ha. So, I think hihilahin natin to, and then sa nakita ko sa mga nagpo-post, binubuksan nila to, tapos tinutupi ito at pinapasok doon yung parang top cover niya. Okay, so meron tayong 1, 2, 3, there should be 10 cards here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so shuffle natin para medyo intense. Ano lang, kinakabahan ako kasi first pull ko na, pero wishes luck and sana maging maganda. So ano ba nila ito binubuksan? Sensya na ha kung mahina pa ako magbukas ngayon, no? Ayan. Ba't ako excited? Ang pinagpapawisan natin yung kamay ko, teka nga, baka masira yung mga cards natin. Okay, so I think that's Vanillish, no? Para sa una nating first ever na card na pull natin. Forgot her name. Japanese kasi, no? Kaya hindi natin kabisado. Okay, ito yung Coal Pokemon. Nakalimutan ko rin yung pangalan niya, no? Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na, medyo trentahin na ako. So, siguro ang kabisado ko is mga hanggang Crystalline, ano ba yan? Crystalline Pearl era, no? I played until Sword and Shield, pero hanggang dun pa lang ang ano ko. I actually have not played Violet and ano yung latest? Violet and Scarlet. No, Pokemon Violet and Scarlet, which itong Mega Dream is nandun sa era ng Scarlet and Violet. But we'll try to acquaint ourselves as we go along. Promise. No, actually iniisip ko nang bilhin yung bagong game para malaro ko na siya. Okay, so that's I think this is a holo. That's a Tepig reverse holo, I think tawag nila dyan. And the Team Rocket device, if I'm not mistaken. And is this a Latios? Yeah, so we pulled the Latios EX and the Duskmoth, if I'm not mistaken, and trainer card. Okay, so that's for our first pull, no? Teka, sleeve natin yung ano, kasi actually first time ko mag-sleeve. So pasensya na kayo, no? Okay, yan. Also, yung Team Rocket natin. Sorry, ang bagal ko pa ngayon. Ibilisan natin next time. Okay. Second pack. So, teka, lagay natin sila dyan para medyo ano. Yeah. So, let's open our second pack. Nag-iingat pa ako, guys, no? Hindi pa ako masyadong marunong. Hopefully mas mabilis na ako mag-unpack. Sa mga susunod natin ng mga pagbukas ng booster box. Okay, for a second booster box. Let's see. Ito, kilala ko, of course. This first generation, Execute, I forgot his name. This is a... Ano nga yun? Promise, maalala ko to, promise. That's an Articuno. I'm actually... Maganda yan ah. Okay. That's an EX. Hindi ko maalala kung sino tong Pokemon na to. I'm sorry guys, no, pag-aaralan ko yan, promise. Pero for sure makakabisado ko yan. Give me a week, makakabisado ko yung mga monsters na yan. Yung mga latest sa generation na to. Okay, we pulled an EX card. Let me sleeve that. Kahit di pa ako marunong mag-sleeve. These are good looking cards though. So I think I get the hype sa yung mga tao sa Pokemon, and I'm actually pretty happy always when I'm around people who love Pokemon. I love Pokemon. Okay, let's open our third pack. Matagal ng video na to kung ganito tayo, pero pasensyahan nyo na. Promise bibilis ako soon. This is a Helioptile, if I'm not mistaken. Hoot Hoot, tama ba? Ito yung Daruma. What's his name? Rayquaza. Legendary. Oh, this is a Hop. Si Hop to eh, tama? I forgot the name of the Pokemon. Pero this is a art rare, if I'm not mistaken. It's a good looking card. Gulat ako. Kala ko Genjar. This is a Crobat EX. Kala ko Genjar. Medyo nag-skip. Medyo magkamukha eh. Medyo nag-skip yung puso ko, no? So and the Pinsir. And ginagamit ko sa TCG Live. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung name niya. Okay. Kinabahan ako. Kala ko talaga Genjar yun. Let's leave them up first. This is I think this is a Crobat EX. Guys, para sa mga katulad ko, no, na may profession, no, or busy ko minsan sa trabaho, side comment lang, no, magandang magkaroon din kayo ng hobby. Pero with caution pa rin, and be responsible about it, kasi I do understand that hobbies can be very expensive, katulad nitong Pokemon or katulad ng itong mga action figure na to, yung mga anime figures, no? They can be expensive, so huwag niyong uunahin yan kaysa sa mga pangangailangan niyo. Dapat una muna yung needs nyo sa bahay, and then kung may extra lang, saka kayo mag-engage dun sa mga expensive na hobbies. Your hobbies should need not be expensive, no, for so long as you're happy with them. Okay, gusto ng asawa ko to, our first pull, no, Psyduck. Tatago natin yan para sa kanya. Okay, tatago natin yan, lalagay niya yan sa binder niya. Roselia, if I'm not mistaken. What's her name? Nakalimutan ko. This is that steel Pokemon. Legendary, I forgot. What's this? Ito ba yung Tapi Coco? Tapi Tuko? Di ko na maalala yung name niya na. And we got another EX. This is a rocket card pala, no? Alright, so we got another EX and then a rocket trainer. Okay. Galing, may assistant ako dito sa gilid, no? Kinukuha niya yung mga napupul natin hindi natin ni-sleeve. Pero I'm thinking of collecting yung mga legendaries. Tsaka yung mga favorite namin Pokemon like Psyduck, Snorlax, Gengar, of course Pikachu, and yung kamukha ng isang aso namin, no? Si Pablo. Slowpoke and Slowbro. So I'm thinking of collecting them. This is fun. I get the hype. Bakit ang saya ng mga tao pag nagpo-pull sila? You don't know what you get, but when you do get them, no, masaya. Again, hobby responsibly. Okay, this is a Budo, if I'm not mistaken. Budo, tama ba? A Rotom, no, na nagiging electric pan. Executor. What's his name? Who's that Pokemon na yung game natin ngayon? This is a Dusclops, if I'm not mistaken. Or yung evolution ni Dusclops. Nakalimutan ko yung ano. Ito yung Fire Slug or Fire Snail. That's a Zigzagoon Art Rare, if I'm not mistaken, no? Pag kung ano, correct nyo na lang ako pag kung mali man ako. That's a Zigzagoon. And we have a dito Gardevoir. But this is a Mega Action card, tama ba? Which is also rare. It's a good looking card. Nice. Kalimutan ko kung ano yung pangalan ng Pokemon, no? Promise sa next video natin, kabisado ko na yan. Alright, that's how many packs in? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, that's 4 packs in, no? And it's pretty good so far. May mga art rare tayo nakuha, and then may nakuha tayong Mega Action card. I think that's what it's called. We're happy about that. Actually starting to play TCG live na din, no? Para makita ko how the meta goes nowadays. Plus, mas aware ako dun sa mga bagong cards na lumalabas. I think meron ding Ascended Heroes deck dun sa TCG Live, which is the English equivalent for the Mega Dream EX. So, let's see. This is, ito Ghost Pokemon, if I'm not mistaken. Ito yung kaninang Daruma na mas bata. The base Pokemon, sorry, mas bata tuloy. Ngayon ko pa ngayon, no? Promise, gagaling tayo dyan. This is, ito yung final evolution ni Tepig. No? Nalaro ko pa yon. Emboar? Tama ba? Okay, I think this is Emboar. That's a holo. Another EX. That's another EX. Good looking card. And we have trainer cards. Okay. Salamat at sinasamahan niyo pa ako. No? Well, this is a recorded video, so feeling ko lang may kausap ako. Pero pinagtatawanan na ako ng misis ko. Pero, kahit pinagtatawanan ako niyan, suportado ako niyan, so magpasalamat tayo, no, sa mga misis natin. Lalo na kung sinusuportahan nila yung mga quirks natin na ganito. She's also a gamer. She also loves collecting stuff. And meron din siyang sariling mga hobbies, like meron siyang kino-collect na figures, the Monday Brew series, no, from Taiwan. Yan, marami din siyang collection yan, which we will present sa mga susunod naming mga videos, yung mga figures naman namin. So for our 5th pack or 6th pack, we've got a Diglett, no? Yung evolution ni Ralts before ni Gardevoir, if I'm not mistaken. It's the Panda, Kung Fu Panda, no? Sabi ng isang vlog na napanood ko. We got the holo. I forgot the name of this monkey guy. Another EX. We've got ito yung parang Dragonfly EX. Yanma, if I'm not mistaken. And our trainer cards. Okay. Okay. We've got 1, 2, 3 packs left sa ating first box. So, hopefully maganda. Ang ganda ng mga napapanood ko na may mga God pack sila na napupull. Lahat walang tapon dun sa buong booster pack. Sana may makuha tayo noon, no? Sana sa lifetime na to may makuha tayo na ganon. At Scraggy, tama ba? Dusclops. I forgot his name. Ito yung Chinese yung name niya, nakalimutan ko. Oh, that's a beautiful card. That's a Budew. Budew? Tama ba? Budew. Art rare. Ganda. Ganda. And the EX card. Teka, i-sleeve muna natin to. Okay. And then EX. Ganda ng Budew na card. I like that card. Thick scale. Trainer cards. Ito yung biscuit card na makakahanap ka ng Pokemon, and the item card. Okay. Isang inspiration natin, no, sa mga pag-hobby natin Let's all follow the words of the great Michael V. Is this a sunfisk? Ah, tama. I think. No? Sabi nga niya, pag tumigil ka maglaro, parang gano'n, no? I'm paraphrasing. Pag tumigil ka maglaro, then dun ka lang tatanda. This is a Riolu, if I'm not mistaken. Suntone ba? Tama ba yung ano? I forgot yung name niya, no? I think it's Suntone. It's a good looking card actually. Maybe I'll keep that. Togechick? Or tama ba? Ito yung third evolution ni Togepi. And another EX card and Giovanni. I don't know, hindi ko alam kung boss orders to, pero it's a Giovanni card. I like the Suntone card. So, itatago ko yan. Lalagay natin yan sa binder. Tatago ko yung mga legendary, pati yung mga favorite nating Pokemon. Venusaur, nakalimutan kong banggitin kanina. Venusaur, Bulbasaur was my first starter when I played the games, no, sa Pokemon Blue. Lahat gusto mag Charmander. Ang pinakauna ko is Bulbasaur. For some reason, mas gusto ko si Bulbasaur. Although, in later playthroughs, of course, nilaro ko na si Charmander. And similarly, nag-enjoy naman ako. Pero, there's something about Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, and Venusaur that clicks with me. And kaya sila yung unang starter ko talaga. That's a Togepi. Cute card. No, baka gusto to ng misis ko. Ayan. Tinitingnan na niya kung gusto niya yan. Zubat. Kita niyo, pag yung mga first 151, dapat nga makahanap ako ng 151 booster pack and boxes, no? Yan, kabisado ko talaga yan kahit balik-balik ta rin mo ang mundo. Actually, hanggang gold and silver yan siguro at kabisado ko pa yan. This is a Mimikyu, if I'm not mistaken. Rocket's Mimikyu. Ano pangalan nito? Spidops? Team Rocket card again? This is a Frostlass EX. And what is that? Special art rare sa final pack natin. Wow. Wow. That's a nice card. Very nice. Let me just sleeve that. Maganda. I don't know. Yung iba tinitingnan niya yung centering, tama ba? Centering, if there are marks. I don't see any marks. Although, hindi naman ako expert pa. So, I'll just keep silent for now. But, still a very good looking card. Actually, I'll top load that. Napabot akong card. Nice! Sa final pack natin nakuha, no? Very nice. And the EX. Ano din natin, sleeve din natin. May isa pa tayong box. Pasensya na kayo kung matagal yung video natin. May isa pa tayong box na bubuksan. I'm actually enjoying. Ang saya pala nito. Lagay natin siya sa ating top loader. Sabi dun sa mga napanood ko, no, when I did my research sa Pokemon cards, Mortal Sin yung walang sleeves, and very much appreciated ng mga cards nyo kung meron pa siyang top loader na ganito, kasi mas protektado siya from bending. Ayun, ganda nun. Nice. Very good haul for our first box. Mamaya na natin i-recap kung ano man yung mga nakuha natin. Buksan na natin yung pangalawa. Sana maswerte tayo sa pangalawa. I think that the biggest chase cards para sa ano na to, no? Sa deck na to would be sa set na to, not the deck. Sa set na to are the Genjar, SAR if I'm not mistaken, and the Dragonite, tsaka may Pikachu ata. No, buksan natin yung second pack. Sa'yo pala magbukas, no? Nakaka-addict. Kaya pala maraming na-addict. Pero huwag kayong maging addict, ha? Hindi maganda yon. Dapat may control pa rin kayo. Hobby responsibly. Yun ang lagi kong sinasabi. Maswerte lang ako na meron na akong sort of adult money to go around para makapag-hobby na gusto kong gawin. Pero I mean, if hindi kayo ready, control lang. Okay? Okay, so another 10 packs. Shuffle ba natin? Wag na. Sige, sunod-sunod na lang natin para hindi masayang yung oras. Okay. We are now on our second booster box. No, guys, dito pala sa Mega Dream EX, yung isang booster box niya, unlike sa English, no, pag sinabi mo boost sa English version, pag sa Ascended Heroes, yung booster box niya, if I'm not mistaken, may 36 packs. Dito, 10 packs lang, no, sa Japanese version. It's Ralts. Kanina ko pa iniisip anong name ng Pokemon na to. I think kung hindi ako nagkakamali, legendary siya eh. We have another EX. I think this is a steel Pokemon. Hindi ko na siya makilala kung sino siya. Okay. Okay, 9 packs to go. Nakakatakot magbukas, pero nakaka-excite din. Parang may nakita ako doon na kumikinang sa dulo. Good looking card. Ito ata yung base form ng kaninang EX na pull natin. So Panda. And Latios ba? Or Latias or Latios? Tama? Yeah, we pulled an EX Latios card. Sabi ng director natin, lowbat na tayo. So, kailangan natin bilisan para hindi mag-cut yung video. Magnemite. Any day of the week, kilala natin yan. Tepig. Ito yung kanina na EX. I forgot his name. Forgot his name. At anong pangalan niya? Monkey Doodle something. And that's Paulucha EX. And Giovanni. Diba yung Vanillish o ito yung base form? I can't remember. Dog Trio. Ano ngayon nasa ilalim ni Diglett tsaka ni Dog Trio, no? Rayquaza. Ends, what's this card? This is a rare one. Ito yung promo card ng Ascended Heroes and pero doon guaranteed, dito pull siya. I forgot the name. Of course, we're going to sleeve that and a Ho-Oh EX. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Pero ang favorite ko pa din so far na na-pull natin yung Bado na full art. Ganda. Ganda. Na-appreciate ko yun. Guys, sa next video natin, no? Actually, may next video na tayo na naka-line up. Mega Dream nga tayo ngayon, pero next video natin would be we'll open a booster pack. A booster box ng Inferno X. Okay, so in the English version of the cards, that would be your Phantasmal Flames. Another Bado. Badu or Bado? Hindi ko kabisado. Articuno. The evolution ni Roselia. And another EX card. That's nice. And our trainer cards. Wala ba tayong repeat cards, no? So far. Dun sa mga EX natin and mga art rare. Which is good. Which is good. I think we have 4 packs to go. If I'm not mistaken. Rotom. Psyduck. Bibigay natin sa misis ko. Mugcrow? Tama ba? Togechick. Gusto mo to? Oh! What's his name? Ito yung base form ni Frostlass. Tama? We've got another art rare. And another EX. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Teka, ini-sleeve ko lang ha. Para ano. Pina-upload ko ba yung ano? Si Bado? Mamaya hanapin natin, nandun siya sa likod. Guys, nagsiset up pa dahil first video pa lang namin to, hindi pa kami ganun ka-set up sa aming kung paano kami nag-unbox and all. Medyo tagpi-tagpi pa to, pero mag-aayos kami soon para kahit papano mas maging maganda yung showcase natin kapag nag-unbox tayo. Nagbubukas ng booster packs. Last 4. Tabi na natin to para medyo maingatan. Tapos mamaya i-recap na lang natin. Bigay natin sa ating mabuting may bahay. Oh, mahal na Ginger ni Ash. Basbasan mo kami at nang may maganda kaming ma-pull. Spiritomb, tama ba? That's a Spiritomb if I'm not mistaken. Mewtwo EX. We've got the Mewtwo EX. One of our favorites. OG. We're gonna sleeve that up. Naisip ko guys, worth it ba master set? Kumbaga, kompletuhin talaga sila. Tama no, yun yung ibig sabihin nun kapag sinasabing to get the master set. Ibabinder natin silang lahat. Every card for that set you'll collect. I think that's what it is. That's how I understand it. Pasabi naman sa amin kung worth it siya, lalo na kung collector ka. Kami, we're just passionate about Pokemon. Anything that we're passionate about. Ito, mga anime, no? Hunter x Hunter number one always. Sumusunod ang Attack on Titan para sa atin dyan. Yun ang sasabihin ng misis ko. Oh, it's another one nung hop sa art rare kanina. And the Pikachu EX. Nice. Nice one. Pikachu EX. AR naman tong hop card na yan, no? So, are we still looking for an FAR para sa box na to? Hindi ko maalala. Makes me happy kapag nakakita ako ng art rare. Yung mga full art. Another Togepi. Another Zubat. I think it's a Zigzagoon. Magnemite reverse hollow. Actually, ang ganda nun with the electric. With the lightning rather. And that's a Riolu Mega Attack card, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba Riolu to? No. Sino nga yun? Hinahabol nila sa Pokemon sa McDo, sa Jollibee. Okay. Good looking card again. We're down to our last pack para sa ating Mega Dream EX. And we have for our last pack, is that Entei? We'll keep that para makolekta natin ang we have an SR, and then we have another EX. Nice. And the stretcher. It was a good night of pulling cards, guys. Thank you. And we hope to see you again. No, but first, we'll recap ang ating mga na-pull for tonight na mga card of value, no? Cards of value. So, recap lang tayo ng mga na-pull natin, no? Ito yung mga EX cards. Ganda ng mga EX ngayon, no? Dati parang sinisilip ko yung mga EX cards nung few years back, no? Dumadaan ako sa mga shops. Ganda ng Frost Glass. And then some of the EX cards na actually upload din natin yan. Gusto ko to. No? And then the OGs, and then our attack rares. Namatay ilaw natin, guys. Anyway, that's it for today. And this is my favorite. Alright, we'll see you in our next video. Salamat, guys. Please like and subscribe to our page. Please like this video and subscribe to our page. To our channel rather. And if you can, please leave a comment, no? Kung may mga mali akong sinabi dun sa mga Pokemon, then please do correct me. Mas maganda na natututo tayo. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.